After you create the workspace, the first thing you're going to do is to go to your shape, okay, and then click on it, bring it down here to cover up this. Okay, click on it and then duplicate, turn around to 90 degrees and bring it down here, drag to this extent or to this way, right, and then click on color, go to your color wheel and then adjust the color. It should be a bit darker than the first one. Alright, that is okay, and then bring it up, copy. After copying, bring it this way, then reduce this one a little bit. Okay, you can bring it up this way like this. Alright, just duplicate this, right, and then bring it down this way. Yeah, and then go to your color and adjust that to be a bit darker than the first one. Something like this will be okay. Yeah, and then go to your shadow, go to triangle shadow. Let's use this one. All right, rotate to 90 degrees, bring it down here. Yeah, and then send it backward. Go to position, send it backward. Make sure you adjust it. So duplicate it, bring it this way. Go to flip. Go to flip here, and then let's flip it. Alright, flip it and keep it like this. Alright, and then go to shadow again. Let's get a line shadow. Alright, so let's pick something like this. Yeah, reduce it, bring it this way at the edge. Yes, keep it like this. You can duplicate and make it a bit longer. You can nudge it. Alright, duplicate, bring it this way to the edge again. Back to shadow, and then let's take something like this. Okay, make it 90 degrees. Place it here at the edge, drag to this extent, then take it to this way. Yeah, very good. At the edge. Okay, pick it up, duplicate and bring it this way. Go back to your element or skin tube cream as it is, and then look for something like yellow color, right? Let's go to photos. Okay, so let's grab this one, remove the background. Make sure you're using Canva Pro. If you don't have one, let me know. So rotate it. This wall here, go to position as well, take it up so that the cream will be at the back, right? Let's go back to element and grab some orange. I think this is nice. Let's pick this, reduce a bit and then bring it down here. Yeah, you can keep it there. Let's go look for some leaves. Okay, orange leaves. You can use this one. Duplicate this shadow here, reduce it a bit. I can keep it under right here. Duplicate, keep under here. Duplicate, keep under here. Alright. Then go grab a text. Let's use this particular text. You can ungroup it this way. Yeah. Remove that and then turn this to glow. Yeah. And then we'll bring it somewhere here. We'll go back to text. Let's pick this and type your. Bring it this way. Yeah. Gonna take a font. Take Garrett. Garrett is cool. Then we can turn the color to white. Okay. We can reduce the transparency. Then we'll go for add the heading and then type skin. So we're going to use the same. We can adjust, keep on adjusting until you get what you're looking for. Yeah, make this one a bit bolder. We'll go to fonts, the same. We're using the same font. We're using Garrett. We use the same Garrett, and then we'll go to bold and make it bolder. and then go to color and turn that to white as well. Let's grab a line, take a line, and then let's make it horizontal, keep it somewhere here, and then we'll turn that to white, color of the line to white. I can nudge it this way. Yeah, go to ChatGPT and grab a text. You can actually get an advert from ChatGPT, which I've got in mine. So I'm going to make this white, turn this to white color, and then keep it under the line. Alright, I'm going to use the same Garrett. The font is still Garrett, and then make it white. Go to white color, make it white, and then you can actually make that bolder if you want to. Make it bold, and then you can adjust it. You can take everything to right or centralize, right? And then you can zoom in and work on it like this, and keep it right under that. And then I light SP345. That is the name of the cream. I light that. Okay, you light it like this, and then make it bold. All right, make it bold, and you can also change the color if you want to. Yeah, you can give it maybe a very light color that's going to be sharp for one to see, right? Yeah. Okay, actually turn that to green, a light green like that. I think that's okay. Alright, so what I can do is to go look for a lady using cream, right? Let's work with this. Alright, let's work with that. Reduce it a bit. Cool. Yeah. Alright, so we are done. Alright, this is how we actually get this done. So if you like what we have done here, make sure you follow us for more of this, okay? And then go to see how it can be of blessing to you. See you in our next class. Bye for now. This is Dr. Tom K, Duoco Designs. Bye for now.